Namaste, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel and I am back with one more interesting recipe, that is dry peas and potato curry, normally known as Matar Aloo Tarkari in Odisha. Yes, this is one of the another favorite dish of any Odia person out there. They just go crazy when this dish is right in front of them. And Odia people just team up with any other dish like roti, parathas, and puri, dosa, idli, vada, upma. You know, the list is absolutely endless. Aloo Matar Tarkari can be teamed up with any other main course and they just go crazy about it. So without wasting any further time, let's get started and see how to prepare this. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now and click on the bell icon for all video updates.
These are dry peas that I have soaked in water for about 8 hours. To start with curry preparation, we need to first boil the peas along with 2 medium-sized potatoes. I will not pressure cook these as I don't want them to get overcooked. Add few dry spices, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and bay leaf. Let it boil in medium flame for about 15 minutes. Once the peas and potatoes are boiled, we need to start working on preparing masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Next, add 1 big onion finely chopped and let it cook until it turns translucent. You can also sprinkle a bit of salt for the onions to get cooked faster. Now add 1 tomato chopped into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and let it cook for about 5 minutes or until tomatoes are soft. After the tomatoes are nicely cooked, now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of curry masala powder and cook until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. It's time to add boiled peas and potatoes. I have cut the potatoes into smaller cubes. Add salt as per your taste and give a quick mix, cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. Ten minutes later, check on curry. If needed, add half a cup of warm water based on how much gravy you wish to have in curry. Also now sprinkle half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a quick mix, cover the lid and cook for another 5 minutes in medium flame. Most delicious dry peas potato curry is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve it hot with your favorite Indian breads. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, do not hesitate to give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you and I'll be back with one more delicious recipe. Until then, keep cooking and bye.